So here we are. When you came in today, could you walk?
Not really.
Not really. Could you put weight on that foot?
Not that.
Mom, what do you think?
I'm about to fall over. This is awesome.
Yep.
Nope.
Oh, we could not do this 15 minutes ago. But we adjusted that foot so those nerves aren't pinched. And now, look at you walking! Oh my goodness. Now you're showing off. Oh my goodness. Can I say what happened to him on the video?
Yeah.
So a car ran over his foot and twisted it up. Look at you showing off. And nothing was broken. Wow, that's amazing. Nothing was broken, but things were out of place, weren't they? And you can't step on your foot when your nerves are all screaming at you. High five. Super proud of you.